Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are starting a new business, a project, or just need a fresh logo, you are welcome to the right place. Today I am going to show you how to create a professional logo for free using AI website. So let's start it. At first, open your browser and search your Namecheap. At the top, you can see the namecheap.com website here. Just click on it. Here's the actual website. Namecheap actually a domain hosting website, but nowadays they added different type of AI tools. In the header option, you can see the domain hosting, WordPress, email, and marketing tools also here. Just click on marketing tools option and you can see the different type of AI here. And you just click on a logo maker AI. I will add it in video description directly for you. So here just your brand name and you can see the brand name option here. Just put on your brand name here. For example, I wanna make a logo for my agency. So I just put my agency name here. Then click on search button. Then you just click on what type of business share you need. I just select agency type and then press continue. Then pick your favorite font here. Just to read subheading and select your favorite font. I select the middle one. Then also it asks different type of font related question. Just select your own choice. You must read all types of font description also because it's help to make more stylish logo. Then pick your favorite color. I just go with the second one because it's look very eye-catchy for me. If you wanna add a slogan here, just add it. I just keep it and I just press with the continue button here. Then you can see the icon selection page here. You can randomly select one or search here for more. Like me, I select one icon and click the continue with one icon. Here the result. You can see the wide range of number of logos here. And you can see one by one here and I just select this one and I just go on it. When you click the logo, the left side you can see the layer option here. For example, in color option you can change color and different type of style also. Then the text option, you can change text style here. Then the slogan option available also here. And the icon option, if you wanna change your icon, go on it. And if you wanna change it, you can also change it here. The layout option, same style change here. If you scroll down the design, you can also see the business card, t-shirt, websites, apps also. It shows what it looks like in every step. The last option is a download logo. Just click on the sign or log into the download. Then you just create an account as like me. Put your username here and your password, first name, last name, and your email also. Then click create account and continue. After a few seconds, it downloads automatically. And if you go on your download option, you can see the actual zip file here. Just click on your zip file. At first, you can see the vector and the cover option here. Then the default size here, default PNG size here. Actually, you can use the different type of profile picture also. Then the info section, you can get all type of text document here, and the profile PNG file also here. You can see the actual logo here. So that's all about it. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you want more content like this, please comment below. I will try to make best video for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.